Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, hello. Okay, so
Hello.
Sarah, good evening.
Yes.
Okay. All right, can you move your lamp a little bit? Can you move it away a little bit? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Because it's too bright. It's too bright. All right. So, yeah, how are you today, Sarah?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay. So, what did you do today?
Uh, um, um, if, go to school.
Mm-hmm. You went to school. You have a
Um,
school today? Do you have school today? Oh, you go to school on Saturdays. Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
if, um, um, um,
What else did you do?
let's go to school.
You went to school and then what time did you
Yes.
come home?
When you come home,
Mm-hmm.
it's,
What time?
uh, 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock you come home from school?
Yes.
What time do you go to school?
7. Yes. 7 o'clock.
You go to school at 7 and you come home at 8?
Oh, I go to school is 7 o'clock.
What time do you come back home?
Um, home is
What time do you come home?
is
Every Saturday. Every Saturday.
yeah is um 5 o'clock.
Hmm. 5 o'clock? Oh, that's long. That's a long
Yeah.
time. Oh, okay. So how was school? Was school fun today?
Yes.
Oh, what fun things did you do? What fun things did you do in school? Mm-hmm.
Um, I go to school is um math and science is
Science, math,
English.
science, English.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You learned math, science, English, and that's it.
Math and Vietnamese.
Mm-hmm. Math, English, science, and Vietnamese. Hmm. Oh, you studied a
Um,
lot.
why?
You studied a lot. You studied a lot today. You studied a lot.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Sarah, I gave you homework.
No.
You didn't do your homework. You're busy?
No.
Are you busy? Because,
What?
is it because you're busy?
Yes.
Okay. No problem. And the homework that I gave you, okay, it's about outdoor activities. Okay, maybe you can do it next time. Can you see the book, Sarah? Can you see the book?
Okay. No.
Can you see this?
Book?
Can you see? Can you see my
No.
screen now?
Yes.
All right, we're going to have this one. So it's us. Yeah, we're going to read the text here. Okay, how do you read this?
Um.
Let me check the pronunciation of this one.
Dan Liver High School.
Dan Liver. It's Dan Liver High School. Okay. All right. Do you read Dan Liver High School?
Denver Light High School.
School clubs.
School Club.
Mm-hmm. We have lots of fun clubs at our school. We
We
have
have
lots. Mm-hmm.
We have lots of fun clubs at our school.
If you like outdoor activities, the soccer club meets at 4 p.m.
If you like outdoor uh,
Activities
activity, the soccer club meets at 4 p.m.
every Tuesday.
every Tuesday.
With the tennis club at the same time on Thursdays.
At the tennis club at the same time on Saturday.
Thursdays. Thursdays.
Thursday.
Mhm. For indoor activities, the board games club starts next week.
For indoor book up for indoor activity, the board game clubs on
Starts.
stars next week.
Mhm. It is popular, so please sign up on the notice board.
It is color, so please see
Sign
up
up.
on the
Sign up.
sign up on the
Notice board.
notice board.
Mhm.
The book
Okay.
the book welcomes
Anyone
anyone to the
who
uh
likes reading.
who like reading. You don't need
Need? You don't need. You don't
you
need
don't you don't need to sing a
to
book with
sign. Sign. This is sign. Okay, I'll
to
give you
sign.
that one, Sarah. Oh, Sarah, this is sing. That's sing, right? This one is
Sing
sign. Sing, sign. Okay?
that
Sing and sign. You don't
sing
need to sign up,
do you don't need to sign a good sleep
but,
right
but, but, but,
but please read you
your,
own
your
your your own copy of the um,
secret garden
secret garden with you to the
to the
uh,
library
library at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Our art and crafts
Mhm.
club is for people who like making
making
making things. The course is
$20
$20
dollars
per term
term
term for uh,
materials.
material.
Yes, that's right. Do you understand it, Sarah?
What
Do you understand this?
is
A
the
little. Do you want
the
to read it again?
red
Yeah, do you want to read it again?
uh,
Read it again so you can understand it better.
years.
Okay, please read it again. School
We
clubs.
have school clubs. We have lots of fun clubs at our school. If you like outdoor activity, the soccer club meets at 4 p.m. every Tuesday, with the tennis club at the same time on Tuesday. For indoor activity, the board games club
Starts.
start next week. It is full. So please sign
Popular. That is popular. It is popular.
popular. So please sign up on the noteboard
Notice. Notice board.
notice board. The book club welcomes anyone who likes reading. You don't need to sign up, but please bring out
Your
your
own.
own copy of the uh, scan
Secret garden.
secret garden with you to the library
Library.
library at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Our art and crafts club is for people who like making things. The cost is
$20.
$20 per term for
Materials.
materials.
All right. Can you say this one? Every.
Every
Thursday.
Thursday,
Popular.
popular
Notice board.
notice board.
Can you read again? This one.
Every Tuesday,
Thursday. This is Tuesday. This one. Tuesday. Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday, popular North Pole,
This one. Sarah.
North Pole,
This one. How about this one?
library,
Library.
library.
Mhm. All right. Let me just write some of the words here. All right. Which club? Sarah, which club is on Tuesdays?
Week club is on Tuesday.
Yeah, you have to answer that. Which club is on Tuesdays, Sarah?
Week club is on Tuesday. Um, 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 with the tennis club at the same time on
Okay, so the answer is The tennis club. Oh, what? Which club is on Tuesdays? The answer is the
their soccer
yeah, that's right, the soccer club.
soccer
Which club
club.
is on Tuesdays? The soccer club. 2. Which
The
club wants you to sign up on the notice board?
um
Which club wants you to sign up on the notice board? Which club wants you to sign up on the notice board?
it is popular, so please sign up on the network.
Which club is it? Which club wants you to sign up on the notice board? Notice board.
Um,
Which one?
of in the book club,
Huh?
the
What?
book,
Book club?
the
Book club?
you,
No. No, the book
um,
club, you don't need to sign up for the book club. It says here you don't need to sign up. The book club. That's not the
um,
answer.
it is popular,
It is popular. It is popular. It is popular? Which one is popular?
mm, um, really,
Which which club is popular? That it needs you it it wants it wants you to sign up on the notice board. Which one? Which one is it, Sarah?
is, um, you street, very,
Hmm? What is
the
it?
street, the street,
Secret
very,
Garden? What?
um, mm,
The answer is the Board Games Club. The Board Games Club, it's popular, so please sign up on the notice board. It's the Board Games Club. Okay, Sarah?
the board game
The
club, the board,
Board Games Club. Alright, boy.
club,
Alright, number 3, Sarah. Which club wants you to take something with you?
something,
Which club wants you to take something with you?
mm, um, mm,
Which club wants you to take something with you? Hmm. Which one?
The book, the book club,
The
the club, the book
the book club. Yes, that's right. It's the book club. And what do you need to take? What do you need to bring? What do
um
you need to bring to the book club? Book club. Hmm? Sarah.
uh uh is a book
Hmm?
is book
A book. You need to bring a book. It's the secret
is the
garden, right? The secret garden.
book
Yeah, the book, the secret garden. So which club needs money? Sarah,
uh, is
which club needs money?
is uh is, um that is dollar.
Yeah, it's $20. That's the $20 that you need. But which club? Which club needs money? Which one? Yeah, you need
The
$20, but which one is it?
the cards is
The
the card
the
the card
yes, the art club. Yeah, that's right. Art club.
from
So the art club needs money. How much do you need? Well, how much do you need to bring to the art club? How much money
um
do you need to pay? How much do you need to pay?
is $20.
Yes, you need to pay $20, right, to the art club. Why? Why do you need to pay $20?
Um,
Why do you need to pay
then
$20? Why? Why do you need to pay to the art club?
um
Hmm?
because
It's for the, what is it for?
because um
It's for the,
for
for materials, right? Yeah. It's for the art materials, right? It's for the art materials, Sarah.
the
Okay. Yeah. Don't forget. Okay. Don't forget. All right. So which club? In which club do you want to join? Sarah, in which club do you want to join?
um it, um this um um dancing club.
The what?
It's a dancing club.
Dancing club. Dance club. It's a dance club.
Dance
Oh, really?
club.
Do you like dancing? I like to join
I could
the,
try that.
or
Then
I would like to join the
the dance
dance club.
dance
Why?
club.
Why do you want to join the dance club?
What?
Why? Why dance club?
Um mm, I like because
Mm-hmm.
I love dance.
You like what? You like dancing?
Yes.
What dance do you know? What dance do you know?
First,
Do you know Blackpink?
yes.
Ah, wow. How you like that? Like that?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so you really like dancing. What's your favorite dance song? What's your
What?
favorite dance music?
Is um mm, is uh this what TikTok?
TikTok. TikTok.
Yes.
TikTok dance. Oh, you like dancing TikTok. All right, so Sarah, I'm going to give you your homework now. It's still the same. So this is still your homework. I
Yes.
gave you the same. You have to record a video discussing the outdoor activities you enjoy. Okay, still the same that I gave you last time that you weren't able to do. So don't forget to do it. And I'll see you again next time. It's already time. See you again, Sarah. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you. See you next time. Yeah, bye.
Yes.
Mhm.